Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA in Orlando, Orange County-based Social Security Disability law firm, but we've grown all over the place now. Now we're Florida, Georgia, blah, 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 blah. All right, so let's go ahead and begin. Question 17 of the top 50 ALJ questions has to do with the trick, car, van, truck question. The judge will ask, well, Mr. So-and-so, beautiful name, Mr. So-and-so. Can you go ahead and walk me through what kind of car do you own? What kind of car do you use for transportation? Now, look, if you have a back problem and you're like, oh, I use a really low to the ground car, you know, like a small car or some sort of little speedster car that you've modified and put it on the ground. Or if you use a lifted truck or a particularly big truck or something like that, they're going to want to know how you get into that puppy, right? How you swing that door open and you swing your butt in. They want to know specifically how you're able to go ahead and get into that vehicle. If you own a van, an SUV, those are easy to get in and out of because you're barely having to really move your upper body. You just have to kind of get in, you get your butt into the seat. These smaller cars, these lifted trucks, not that gig. So remember, when explaining that, have a good answer for how you got into that particularly high or particularly low vehicle. All right, I'm keeping these videos short. Next thing that you need to know. If you have any up-to-date, or if you have any questions, you want most up-to-date information, that's fine. Shoot me an email, give me a call. We'll go from there. Blah, blah, blah. On the 9th at 8 p.m. of April 2020, every Thursday thereafter, I will be running ALJ questions with you live. So you can call me, 407-279-1754. Give me a fake name. James Bond. James Bond. I don't care which way you put it. Just give me a fake name. I'll read to you the disclaimer stuff, and then I'm going to beat the hell out of you verbally so that you understand what it's like to have to go to a hearing. Okay? I love you lots. Here we go. Now we're going on to question 18. All right? Have an absolutely wonderful day, and we'll go from there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.